Hylton Scott Talks, the Walmart Marketplace, June 24th, Tuesday. Got some OxyClean. I got these little roach things I put out once every season, so the 3 months, and Hershey's Simply 5. Went to Taco Bell earlier, had a little rant video on that, trying to get them to put a sign up that kind of explains when they actually serve lunch. $2.46 there. $24.89 at the Walmart Marketplace. Yeah, laundry detergent was $8.98. Simple 5, $5.64. We squirted in the coffee drinks and just make the ice cream a little better. And then the roach thing was $8.93. It's kind of an investment. I haven't had any real roach sightings, even though it's Florida. Although we put one at the corner of each, at the opening of the garage door. Just put one on one side, one on the other side, and that little crack that is plenty of room for a roach to get through. You just put it on each side, and you change your filters every season. Someone says first day of summer, change those filters, put the little roach thing out. Anything else you got to do for 3 months, line it up with the season. Someone says, oh, it's the first day of fall. It's time to change the roach thing, time to change the filters. It's easy peasy. Okay? All righty. Well, have a good day. Get some exercise, get on your bike, ride to your store, ride to work, ride to school. It's fun. Get you out and about. Have a good day.